more grass, even more grass. A ball. What's that? That's an art studio? Really? What else could that be? That is me. Hello. Today we're going to be making a paper holder. I've made mine as a unicorn, but you can make it whatever you want. Warning. This is my cat Muffin. She's a ragdoll and she will be appearing throughout the video, either ringing the bell or doing something else crazy like that. She is very cute. She does not understand this. She thinks that she's looking into a mirror and she sees another cat. So, 1 like means 1 extra hug of the muffin. But before you get a huggle. To start, we're going to paint a cereal box or just a normal everyday cardboard box in light colours, but it needs to be aerialistic paint. Which could be quite tricky. Yay, I did it. I actually did it. And why I need to do this is because it needs to be aerialistic, because these are really shiny, so it might make it hard to stick on an aerialistic. Why it needs to be a light colour is because these are often quite dark, and maybe if you want to at the end you can go over it in a darker colour when it's all dried. Shh! Close the door! Okay, now I've finished with that. Next thing I've got to do is wait for it to dry, basically. And that will take a while, maybe a couple of hours. Let's hope less. And leave it like that, otherwise it will get smudged. So, now I'm going to carry on with this, and you could do whatever you want. If you wanted Fortnite, you could write Fortnite and join up. If you wanted dinosaur, you could draw a picture of a dinosaur. If you like football, you could just draw a picture of football. But me personally, you have to sketch it on with a pen. So, after you painted your box, which takes about an hour, don't worry, you won't have to do all that. So, then you got to draw some ears if you're doing a unicorn, because unicorns have ears. Mine looks more like bunny rabbit. Maybe not, maybe right now, maybe not when I have added in. Okay, so I like this. I'm going to draw cute eyes. And then I'm going to draw the unicorn. Okay, now I am going to use paint pens. You could probably just use any old pen or paint on stuff. Or leave it with the pencil. But you've got to, if you're using paint pens, draw it on Okay, now, why have I got my scissors? Answer is because I need to chop, 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 chop. I forgot to do the inside of the ears. I knew I was missing something. I'm rubbish at drawing unicorns. Mine's like a Minecraft unicorn. But imagine that. Minecraft unicorn. That would be cool. Okay. Okay. Now, because this is so much cardboard, and it could be used again. This needs to go in the recycling with me. Okay, now I'm going to take you to put away my recycling. So now we just reused, and we recycled. Okay. Now, see my cat? She's a cat. Now we're going to see what my cat thinks of it. Muffy, you're on camera. Okay. So, yeah. She's never been on camera before. Muffy, what do you think? No, Muffy, what do you think? Muffy. She's looking at the camera, not my thing. Okay, bye. Okay, now let's actually have a little look at it. No. Okay, so there's the side, the gorgeous side. Now, I'm going to do my art signature on it. I made my art signature once, just thinking I like the name. So I'm just going to write it now. Wait, it's purple? Wait, it was gold and silver. And then white. It has 4 colours, gold, silver, white and yellow. I do mine very easily. Okay, so now I'm just going to finish it off. Any of you guys who really like art, if you make an art signature, it means it's like a normal signature. it just proves that you did the piece of art. That's why I like it so much. Mine only has, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colours. Okay. Done. Okay, so normally this videos have like 3 parts, but since the videos come to an end so shortly, we have time to goodbye, and I'm going to use this. Bye. Now, ring the bell. Not just one of you, all of you. Even my cat's going to ring the bell. Mama, you've got to ring the bell. She's ringing the bell. And she's ringing the bell. So, goodbye. Say goodbye, Muffin. It's rude if you don't. Yeah, that was a goodbye.